So let's make our children's book into an ebook with Kindle Create. If you've been making books in the past, you may be familiar with Kids Kindle Create that has been phased out. So Kindle Create is the only thing you will need to make a Kindle ebook edition. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create New. Now, what we want to do from here is a lot of people will do a print replica. This is a fixed layout book from a PDF. This is going to be the easiest way to recreate your book. All you have to do is upload the PDF and you're good to go. Now you might see this kids one and want to use this as well, which you are also welcome to do. There's minor differences between the two, but if you are worried about making a mistake, I do highly recommend the print replica. It is just very, very simple to get a fixed layout. Some programs don't like fixed layouts, so you can also do kids. Today we're going to be doing kids, and if you can do this one, you can do any one of these in here. All right? So we're just going to have that highlighted and click continue. Now, if you do get an error on KDP that says you cannot upload reflowable content and you have to have a fixed format, do the print replica. If you do kids, this is considered reflowable. The terms really don't matter, but that's how you fix that error if you encounter it. So the day I learned I'm autistic is the title of my book. My name and my publishing house name is also my name. So that's my legal business name as well. I did that to keep it simple, but you may have something way cuter here, like Little Book Publishing Co. or, something really fun there as well. I kept it boring and simple. I think it's easier for taxes and all of that stuff for everybody to understand that I'm a business of one. All right, so now this is where this gets a little bit different than that print replica. Print replica, you won't have any of these issues here to pick from, but we're going to do a guided view left to right and facing pages. That means it's going to show our book as a spread. Now, you may have written a children's book that is a single page. You are welcome to do that as well if you have single pages. But if any page in your book is a spread, which means 2 pages side by side, like we see in the picture here, you want to choose facing pages. So my book is a combo of single and facing. So I would choose facing because I have at least one facing. You should have the interior of your book available in a PDF format. And if you're not seeing the PDF when you're in here, just go down here to Files type and pick PDF. And then I need to go ahead and update this. I'm actually updating my book days before it publishes because I just found a typo that myself and my editor missed. So that will go ahead and upload. I'm going to just go ahead and click continue. Now, you can make things called panels in here. We're going to ignore that. We just want them to be able to look at each page as a page, and you'll see that blue sort of hue over it. That's what we want. I'm not going to click anything. I'm just going to literally go up to export. That was it. And now I want to export this into my folder. I click export, it's packaging it up, it's ready to publish. I can show that folder. So we have the KPF, which is this box icon here. That is going to be our Kindle upload. So now I'm in Amazon. I need to upload my manuscript. I'm re-uploading it because I made a mistake. I'm going to click on that little box right there, open. This is uploading that. That's all you have to do. This is such a simple few-step process that really is everything you need to get an ebook up and out. Now, this ebook is going to be specific to Kindle. If you're looking to make an ebook that's available on other platforms such as Draft2Digital, or if you're producing an ebook through Ingram Spark, you're going to have a different process and you won't use Kindle Create. However, for children's books, ebooks aren't wildly popular, and I mostly use mine for advertising. So I typically just do the Kindle option for my children's books. But again, if you're looking to have your book off of Kindle, you're going to need to use a different platform because other platforms won't accept that KPF format. The previewer won't show here, but you can download it, or if you want, you can open your book in a Kindle viewer. But that's it. That's all we needed to do. Now my book is ready to go in this ebook format. There was no additional work I needed to take, and I am done and ready to go. So I really hope this tutorial helped. Kindle Create is very easy to use, and you can download it directly from Amazon or KDP. So if you just Google Kindle Create, there should be a link that brings you to a download. Just make sure you're on an official website and you're downloading the proper thing. But I hope this helps. If you have questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next tutorial.